Welcome to the new Rotabroach Element 50 low profile. The design for this machine started by asking the question, what does a user need from a magnetic drill? Whether you're a steel fabricator, a bridge builder or a truck fabricator, you generally have a minimum of 3 types of machines in your stores. Now all these machines will drill a 22mm hole with a short cutter. A machine like the Element 30, a general everyday tool for fabricators, is primarily used for drilling core bolt sizes, such as for M18 or M22 bolts. A larger machine, such as the Element 50, is often fitted with a variable speed, designed for larger holes up to 50mm diameter and depth of cut. Finally, for working on site or in tight spaces, typically a low profile machine allows the user to work in difficult spaces, comprising on cutter size and depth of cut, but allowing for the ability to drill a hole in a difficult place. Each machine has its own compromise, whether it be cutting capacity, weight or size. The new Rotabroach Element 50 low profile has no compromise. The machine is capable of drilling both 50mm diameter and depth of cut. Featuring 6 variable speeds, the Element 50 low profile can be optimised for both countersinking and large diameter cutters, with adjustable speeds ranging from 250 to 500 RPM. At only 11 kilograms, the machine is lightweight. A retractable carry handle allows you ease of movement but doesn't require you to compromise on the height of 179mm, 20% lower than our previous model. To improve working in tight spaces, the machine features a ratchet system, allowing you to drill even in the most difficult of environments, again ensuring the machine working height is kept to a minimum. The Element 50 low profile is designed to increase user efficiency and safety. The machine is fitted with our magnetic detection system. If the machine has a suitable level of magnetic adhesion, then it will show 1 red light for power and 1 green light for sufficient adhesion. Should the machine not have a safe adhesion level, then 2 red LEDs will be lit up on the panel. This will alert the user of unsafe working. The Element 50 low profile is fitted with CutSmart technology, found across the Element machine range. Through a visual aid of 2 LED panels either side of the machine, the user has a visual indication of the required pressure to apply while drilling. A scale of green, amber and red LEDs indicates the load on the machine. Optimum cutting performance is found between green and amber. Should the red panel be indicated, 5 seconds of consistent pressure will shut off the machine motor, protecting the user and machine. Should the machine cut out on red indication, unlike a traditional magnetic drill, the Element range allows you to start the motor again instantly due to a motor overload protection, reducing downtime. CutSmart provides increased user safety and awareness while increasing cutter and motor life. In conclusion, the new Rotabroach Element 50 low profile, 50mm diameter and depth of cut, 6 variable speeds, countersinking ability up to 30mm, only 179mm in height, 11 kilograms in weight, a ratchet handle drilling system, a retractable carry handle, magnetic detection system, CutSmart technology. The new Rotabroach Element 50 low profile, no compromise.